Hi everyone, welcome to Bake, Cook and Relax. Today we'll be making delicious cupcakes. They're basically fruit cupcakes that we are making today. So here are the ingredients that we'll be needing. Butter, half cup. Sugar 1 cup. You can use powdered sugar or caster sugar. Now add 1 egg and whisk together. Total we'll be needing 2 eggs. We'll be adding the eggs one by one. Now add another egg and whisk. We'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, or you may add vanilla extract. Take 1.5 cup flour, that is maida or any all-purpose flour. Sieve the flour. And keep it aside. Now to our liquid mixture, add half cup of milk. Just a note over here that all the ingredients should be at room temperature before adding. Now we can add flour. Do not add the whole flour all at once. You may split it into parts and add one by one. Now mix together. After adding flour, do not whisk more, just mix it lightly. Now we are adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You can use any baking powder. Here I am using Wakefield baking powder. Now mix it gently. Meanwhile, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Add some tutti frutti to the mixture. Prepare your baking tray by lining paper liners. You can also prepare your tray by adding some butter and a little flour if you do not have the paper cups. Now our mixture is ready. We'll be filling the paper cups by 3/4. Now tap to remove any excess air bubbles. We'll be adding some tutti frutti on top and baking it at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes on traditional oven, and in a microwave in convention mode it will be needing 12 to 15 minutes. You can see our cupcakes are baked nicely. Now we'll be cooling them on a cooling rack. And you can fill them with any jam or jelly of your choice. Here I'm filling it up with blueberry jelly. It looks delicious. Make sure you pierce the cupcakes before filling them so that the jelly goes inside. And our cupcakes are ready to be served. Do not forget to subscribe to Bake, Cook and Relax. Thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead.